You know that moment when you're trying to be cool at a party and your body decides to betray you. I was trying to impress this girl by telling a joke when suddenly, achoo, a massive sneeze exploded from me. The sneeze was so loud it made everyone jump. Glasses rattled, plates clattered, and the girl I was talking to dropped her drink. Then it happened. One laugh turned into two, two into four, and before I knew it, the whole room was howling with laughter. Now I'm the legend of the sneeze that shook the room. Tell me your worst party disaster below. Subscribe so I don't cry at 1802guy.